Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate website backups with GoDaddy. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To automate website backups with GoDaddy, start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Navigate to your product page and locate the hosting plan associated with your website. Click on the Manage button next to your hosting plan. In the hosting dashboard, find the Backups section. Select Automatic Backups from the available options. You may see a prompt to set up your backup preferences. Choose the frequency of backups that suits your needs, such as daily or weekly. Next, decide on the retention period for your backups. This determines how long your backups will be kept before being removed. Once you have made your selections, click on the Save button. Confirm that the settings have been applied correctly. After that, review your list of backups to ensure they are being created as scheduled. If you have specific databases or files, navigate to those sections to include them in your backup. Repeat the process for any additional websites under the same hosting plan. For additional security, consider enabling email notifications for backup completions. This way, you are informed whenever a backup has successfully taken place. To test the backup system, manually initiate a backup. Monitor the progress and confirm that the backup is successfully created. If any issues arise, consult GoDaddy's support resources for assistance. Now, your website backups are automated, providing peace of mind and security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.